Kapuki Kids! Hello! The weather is so nice. We went out for a walk.
Hey, horsies! Yeah!
Let's help Nicola ride.
Yeah, I'm a horsey! Thank you, yellow horsey. I'm gonna ride the red one. Settled in. Let's go! Hey!
Where's Lucky? Lucky?
I'm a spider now. Oh, here I go. I'm climbing up my web now. I'm a little.
And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
So the itsy bitsy Lucky went up the spout again.
Hooray! We're on top. Now down.
Maria, swing me.
With pleasure.
Oh, and me too.
Are you ready?
1, 2, 3.
Do you like to swing on the swings and swing your toys? Hold on tight.
Nicola has found something else to play with. Here comes a surprise. Here comes a surprise. Ready? Up. Lucky, let's play ball. I hit the ball.
The children are having fun. I'll have some coffee now.
Me first. No, me first. No, me first. It's my ball. Really? Take it!
Oh!
Sorry, Maria. Oh, we didn't mean it. Oh.
Wait, I have to take my hoodie off. It's hot. It's really hot on my arm.
Oh, let me see. Oh, how scary. Hello, ambulance? We need some help.
Who called the doctor?
Doctor, this way, quick.
I burnt my arm. Uh-oh. How did that happen? Sheep, get the ointment.
On my way. Bah, it's heavy. Oh, doctor, what's that?
This is cooling gel.
Oh, does it hurt, Maria?
No, it's cold. It feels kind of good.
I'll find the ointment. I'll just open this here. Oh, there it is. Come on. Open it, doctor.
Thank you. Twist, twist, and twist. Come on, ointment. Squeeze it a bit. and spread it very gently.
Bah, I remember you. You're lucky. Didn't fasten your seatbelt and fell out of the car. Oh, I don't do that anymore.
There you go. You'll be all right soon. Thank you, Doctor. And we'll remember not to play ball near hot coffee or any hot drinks for that matter. See you again on our show, A Mommy for Lucky. Bye-bye.